Hey y'all, it's DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. Look, new furniture, y'all. New furniture. Say hi to my grandson.
Hola.
Look on top. Look on top. Look on top. Look at all that, y'all. New furniture. Say hi to my son Greg.
Here, open the store.
All right.
Grab from the other side.
New
Not
furniture,
that one. Oh.
which is going to be.
Yeah.
Look at that. New room tour coming soon to my channel. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for a new room tour, which I will explain every piece of furniture I've bought, and I'll tell you where I got it. I will tell you all my DIYs. Some of them I've put them on my channel, some I haven't. I will let you know at what thrift stores I've got certain items that I have chose to put in my rooms. So yeah, this is just a quick video. I'm picking up my furniture. Yes. I love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. All right, you guys, me and my son and my grandson will see you in the next video. Bye.
Cub Scout.